Hey YouTube, Bill here, aka Whiskey Lima, and I just wanted to start with a quick announcement, and that is, I got married on Saturday. Wifey Lima and I have decided to postpone the honeymoon until next summer, so we're back at work now, which means that this video is much later than I hoped it was going to be. With that said, today we'll be modifying the lighting strip from the LS100 lighting kit from Corsair. The idea is that I'll be removing all of the excess material to get the strip by itself. Two reasons for this, the first being that the bare lighting strip is much brighter, and because it's less bulky it becomes more versatile and can be used in more areas in your setup. Okay, so first we need to remove the strip from the diffuser, and for this I used a soldering iron to remove the connector from the end of the strip. I applied a small amount of solder flux to help the process go a little easier, and once removed the strip can easily be pulled from the silicone diffuser. The plastic housing on the end is also removed, and then the connector can be soldered back in place, being sure to solder it the correct way up. This process is repeated for the second end cap so it can also be removed from the strip. It's a very simple modification and means you can now use the strip in many more places. I went a step further and applied a bead of white silicone to the bare strip to act as both an insulator and to give a slightly more diffused look. I'm sorry I don't have footage for this, it was kind of an afterthought and it isn't really a necessary step anyway. As you can see, when compared to the original Lighting Node Pro strips, there's a much higher density of LEDs in the LS100 strips, and that's why they're so much brighter. Here you can see a before and after comparison of the LS100 strips, and the difference in brightness is quite apparent. If you look at the wall, you can see just how much brighter the modified strips are when compared to the original strips. As luck would have it, the longer strips from the kit just happen to fit perfectly along the bottom and up the back of the 500D SE case, and I think they look so much better than the original LED strips. It's obviously more work than just using the original strips, and this will void your warranty, so bear that in mind if you want to do something similar. If you want, you can also use double-sided tape on the strip and apply them to the back of shelves or the underside of a desk as demonstrated in this example. You can see here just how much light a single strip can produce. Thank you for watching guys. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up as it does help me hugely. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next video, and I will see you in the next one.